Hello friend, I'm Nadia Ashik and you are watching Tips Hub by Nadia Ashik. Today in this video I'll tell you about 5 yummy and healthy foods for summer. So let's start the video. Watermelon. Watermelon is a refreshing and hydrating fruit that is perfect for summer. It's low in calories, high in vitamin C, and contains antioxidants that may help protect against cancer and other diseases. Grilled vegetables. Grilling vegetables is a healthy and delicious way to enjoy summer produce. Try grilling zucchini, eggplant, peppers, and mushrooms, and serve them with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. Gazpacho. Gazpacho is a cold soup made with tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and onions. It's a refreshing and healthy way to enjoy summer produce and is low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with vitamins and minerals. Berry smoothie. A berry smoothie made with fresh or frozen berries, Greek yogurt, and a splash of almond milk is a healthy and delicious summer breakfast or snack. Berries are high in antioxidants and fiber, and Greek yogurt is a great source of protein. Grilled fish. Grilled fish, such as salmon or tuna, is a healthy and delicious summer meal. Fish is high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for heart health. Serve it with a side of grilled vegetables or a salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and share them with your family and friends. See you in the next video.